Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering a Z1900 cylinder head. I'm guessing it's correct for 74, 75, 76 also, and it would work on a 73, but it's not black. Okay, it has a crack from right here into here. Now I believe this is bleeding through because there's some epoxy here. This could be fixed. The cylinder studs all look good. There's no broken fins where the intakes go on. This is pretty nice. It may have been flowed, however it's not been polished, so I really don't know if it's been flowed or not, to tell you the truth. Where the buckets go, you can see they're chamfered out here. There's been some chamfering here. So we are offering this on eBay for $24.95 with no reserve. And this would be a good head for somebody if they knew how to fix it. All right, thanks a lot.